Hola, welcome to another unboxing. This is going to be the last unboxing of the day for me, barring some type of weird impulse purchase at like a Best Buy or something, or CVS. Although pretty much all my videos are unboxings from Amazon, so pretty much going to be the last unboxing of the day. I've unboxed, I believe, 3 different boxes today. This is the 4th. It's another 3-in-1. Kind of messed things up because I think the last unboxing had a more interesting product. These are kind of So if you haven't already turned this video off, here we go. It's a giant freaking box on Amazon. Well, maybe not giant. Let's see. Ooh. Alright, let's just... Oh no! Alright. Gotta hook up my mic again. Alright. So, I don't even know if this really counts because, well, it's kind of unboxing. St. Ives Radiant Skin Exfoliating Face Scrub. Pink lemon and mandarin orange. 6 ounces. Ah, it's pink lemon and mandarin orange. That's interesting. So anyways, I've actually never used this stuff. I've used some different St. Ives. It's like, because it exfoliates, it feels like you're like, you know, getting rid of like dry, flaky, crappy skin or whatever. I kind of like how it feels. I won't lie. That's kind of probably, that's why I bought it. I don't know why I didn't get the usual stuff. Oh wait, I do remember why now. I think on Amazon, you could only buy in like major bulk, so I had to buy like, I don't know, like 6 of these things or something, or like it was a giant tub. This was basically the cheapest thing that I could find that exfoliates that seemed decent, or from this brand, St. Ives. So this seems like a good bargain. $4.48 for 2 of these freaking things. Let's see, what else? Man, over 4,000 customer reviews. It's at like, it looks like 4.5 stars. That's a pretty freaking good review. You know, they only show women using this thing. Is this, I feel like, I don't know. Don't guys need to exfoliate too? Anyways. Under scrubs, number 6, beauty and personal care under scrubs. So, a lot of people buy this stuff. Top question. When they say 100% natural exfoliants, they mean the scrubbles are some kind of shell, right? I don't even know what that means. I don't know what oh, they mean the scrubby, they mean the scrubbies are some kind of shell, right? Wow. I think I know what that means, actually. That's weird. I didn't realize that. They're shells? Ooh, I don't like that. I just want to make sure I'm not buying plastic beads. Oh, so the shells are better. Answer. There are currently 4 different products using the question and answer section. The apricot scrub doesn't use the hydrated silica, but instead uses walnut shell powder, while the oatmeal green tea and pink lemon mandarin orange scrubs each use hydrated silica. Huh. None of them list plastic in the ingredients. Interesting. Oh. So I guess like it's all about the shell. And I guess maybe I got the stuff that doesn't have the shell. Let me look at the ingredients. It's a lot of ingredients. Yep, hydrated silica. So maybe that's why it's cheaper? I don't know. Doesn't really matter to me. We'll see how it feels and how it works. Does it clear up acne scars? 9 upvotes on this one. I personally do not care for this one. It's pretty runny and not very exfoliating. If you want to clear acne, try the pink St. Ives pink grapefruit apricot scrub or even the green tea. So, alright, this is messed up. So these answers are from multiple St. Ives products. So this is the pink lemon, whatever. Alright, I'm going to stop reading these then. 4.4 out of 5 stars. Let's just read the top comment from Memley, top contributor. Top 100 reviewer. This person's got some clout here. I've used this for years, but recently noticed that St. Ives is now part of Unilever. The package no longer says no animal testing. Where it used to say that, now it just says Unilever. And I think Unilever does do animal testing. Shitty. Okay. There may be some ingredient differences too. I compared it to an old tube I found laying around and noticed that there used to be more flower extracts and botanicals. Now the natural extract is apricot. This used to be a 5-star product for me, but with the changes I'm dropping it to 3. Hopefully Unilever will bring back the natural ingredients that made St. Ives special, and maybe they'll stop animal testing too. The scrub does still work though. Wow. So as often happens when the man buys your product, you know, they make changes people don't like. That's what looks like it happened here. But this review was back in 2013, so who knows? Maybe they made some changes back. I don't know. Would have to research it further. All I can say is I can't really say much actually. On to the next unboxing. Oh, I can say actually kind of, it's weird. I can smell it, like really smell it, even from here. And I have a pretty crappy sense of smell. And this is like pretty, it doesn't smell bad. It smells pretty nice, but I can smell it. It has a strong scent, I would assume, if I hadn't even opened the stuff up. Actually, if you guys want, I will do this. It's kind of runny. Gotta say, I don't know. There's not, you know, it's weird. It smells okay. It smells very pinky, like flowery, but kind of artificially. But on my hand, now it's got all this crap on my hand. The exfoliating part, not really happening, honestly. I'm used to having like more like almost sandpapery, sand kind of feel. This is kind of weak sauce. This might not be a good purchase, despite the reviews. I don't know. We'll find out. All right. On to the next. Should I open this one next, or should I open? Hold on. I mean, either way. Again, not the most interesting unboxings, but you know, sometimes can't always buy exciting things like VR kits and what else. I don't know what else is exciting, but oh, video game stuff in general. Oh crap. So I've been running low on coffee. I made a switch. I usually buy Donut Shop. This time I got Solimo dark roast coffee. I almost want to say Shlomo, who's this like electronic artist slash DJ slash hip hop artist, producer too. He's really good. Anyways, $29.99, 100 count. And the reason I switched from the Donut Shop coffee, even though I really like that stuff, I'm used to it, it's good, is I want to save some money. This was cheaper, had good reviews, 30 bucks. I said, save a couple bucks. Let me see if I can smell it. You know, I can still smell the St. Ives. I can't really smell the coffee. Kind of. Let's see what it says though. 2.0 K-Cup brewers, 100 dark roast, 100% Arabica coffee, compatible with 1.0 and 2.0 K-Cup brewers. Oh, so Solimo or Solimo, for those that care or want to be informed with what you're buying or who you're buying from. This actually, it's an Amazon brand. Amazon brands are just dominating their own marketplace, it seems. Number 12 for single serve capsules and pods. Where's the coffee grown and packaged? The box says 100% Arabica, packaged in USA. Menashaw Packaging, Neenah, Wisconsin. Never heard of that city, but shout outs to Neenah, Wisconsin. Will these fit the Keurig, however you say it, 2.0 without an adapter? That's the coffee maker we have, and they work great. So that's a good sign for those with the 2.0. Review, half the price, but not half the quality. Carl Breslaw says, just got my first box of Amazon brand dark roast coffee. In comparison to Newman's Own Special Blend and Pete's Major Dickinson's Blend, the Amazon coffee slightly pales. Okay. Not quite as robust and flavorful, but, and this is a huge but, it's half the price, and I got delivered in just one day. Look, I'm not a coffee connoisseur, or even, I'm just like the most generic coffee drinker. I wouldn't even say I'm generic. I'm like below generic. I mostly drink coffee for caffeine. I won't front. Once in a while it's nice to get like a nice fancy latte, but for the most part I just drink the stuff to kind of start my day, get some caffeine in me. So unless it just tastes absolutely abysmal, I'm okay with it. So 30 bucks for 100, that comes out to like, what is that? That's like 30 cents for one of these things. So 30 cents for a cup of coffee, not counting, I guess, electricity to run your coffee maker, assuming you already have one. I mean, that's like, dude, you're gonna pay like $2-3 or whatever. It's a bargain and a half. And then think about over the lifetime of drinking coffee. It's amazing. Anyways, enough about this. And this is going to be the last of the unboxings for the day. I wish it was a little more exciting. I guess in general, all the unboxings today were not the most exciting. To be frank, probably won't be that exciting anytime soon. I am thinking about buying an iPad, so that could be cool if I actually do that. You know what? I might buy a video camera, and then I won't be filming with my iPhone anymore. So that could be a good unboxing. I realized that the video quality on my videos kind of sucks, or isn't as good as it should be. I was on Reddit watching like skateboard videos, and I was like, why are these videos so much clearer than mine? I was like, maybe they're using a better camera or something, and they probably are, but I would message these kids on Reddit, be like, yo, I didn't say yo, but I was like, hey, what do you use to film your videos? And the two people I asked, they were both like an iPhone dude. I don't know if they said it like that, but that's the tone I pictured. So they were basically just like, hey dummy, it's just an iPhone, what else do you expect? And the quality of their videos was like a gazillion times nicer than my videos. Maybe it's because I have an older iPhone, it's like an iPhone 7, so that might be it. Or maybe I'm doing something wrong. One thing I did notice, I think I had a really dirty camera lens, so that probably hurt my video quality. Anyways, that's a major digression. Let's just get to this last unboxing. And I got look at this, I got on my hands maybe I shouldn't have done that testing. Alright, so who doesn't want fresh breath? Another Amazon product, Solimo Whitening Mouthwash, 4-pack, $15. That seems like a bargain to me. I used to get the Crest stuff. Again, Amazon just kind of taking over. I don't think I'm a shareholder. I don't think I own shares of stock in Amazon right now, so I'm not just shilling it because I own some stock in it. I don't think anyways. Don't quote me on that. I might own some stock. I did at one point. Anyways, this stuff, this is actually rated pretty low. Crap. Number 277 in mouthwash. Number 31,933 in personal care. So I guess a lot of people weren't like me and trying to cheap out on mouthwash. Because I used to get the Crest whitening stuff, and I was like, man, this stuff kind of pricey. I'll go cheap here. Wait, what the crap? How come there's not a single customer review for this either? What the heck? Alright, maybe this was a mistake. There's not a single review for some reason, which maybe there's a glitch in the matrix, or I don't get it. Not a single review. Speaking of reviews, at some point, I will actually review the products. I get in the comments sometimes. If you guys have a question, I will respond. I can be a little slow. I won't lie. Sometimes I'm a little slow to respond, but any comment in the things where if you have a question, I will answer it. Assume it's not like just mean. Maybe I'll answer if it's mean too. But if you're like, hey, Dave, this mouthwash, is it actually good? How does it compare to Crest? After I actually use it, you put down the comments, I will respond and say, this mouthwash is the worst, or it's amazing. Anyways, ingredients, water, glycerin, hydrogen peroxide. Is that normal for a mouthwash? Propylene glycol, sodium hexametaphosphate, paloxamer 407, sodium nitrate, flavor. Flavor is an ingredient? It just says flavor as an ingredient. Distributed by Amazon.com. Whitening mouthwash, clean mint flavor, alcohol free. You know what? I am going to do a live tasting since no one on Amazon has even freaking reviewed this. This is amazing. I mean, it kind of scares me that there's no reviews on this stuff. Definitely looks like generic, but looks like something you might find in the dentist office. How bad can this be? Again, I usually use the Crest Whitening. I'm just gonna go straight to the head. It's like a full bottle, straight to the head, guys. Not bad, not bad, very good. Thank you for watching.